right, here it is. Beetle number 10. Ready for delivery. Well, I gotta wash it and vacuum up inside a little bit. This one came out pretty good. This is the second one I've done the side seams on instead of cutting in the door jamb. Custom hitch, did some extra backup lights, and then the kit backup lights where the kit is supposed to have the standard tail lights. Use the 62 to 67 Beetle tail lights with the LED conversions in them. Did a light wired to the dome light, so I don't know if we'll be able to see. When you open the door, LED light up there comes on, and it's controlled by this back dome light. So whatever you set the dome light on up here, if you turn it off, you turn it to turn on with the door opening or constant on, that light will do the same thing. So that came out pretty cool. While we're in here, we'll have a look. There's the, it's kind of dark. There's the back wall. Little angle on it, the 4x6 speakers, little edging on the end of the side panels there. Came out pretty clean. I really like black in the back. It just kind of disappears and it makes the cab look a little bit bigger. All this is still standard. I do like that it's a manual. Not many people want to drive a manual these days. This is got 90,000 on it, which is pretty good. The owner bought it, found it, bought it, and then I went and picked it up. So this one I did the seam right in here, so I didn't have to mess with the door jamb. So the door jamb came out pretty good. Did the old glued on a little piece of the trim from the back. The third brake light is the one from Speedway Motors. I'm a fan of those. Works as a tail and as a brake light, which a lot of third brake lights don't. Did the handle instead of the strap, and my standard bit latches here for spare tire access. So there you can get to the spare tire. Directions so he knows how to remove that bar. Did the little Chevy tie downs that I like. There we go. That pull out. They're not totally recessed, but it's a pretty slim profile, and of course have to notch the bed floor to come up past them. But that's it. Fairly standard build. Nothing too fancy on it. Came out pretty clean looking. Pretty happy with it. Hoping he'll be happy with it. We'll find out this afternoon when I deliver it. That's Beetle number 10, and I believe Smyth build number 17. So that's what the Beetle kit looks like when it's all said and done.